Hey guys, I'm just doing a quick video about replying to reviews. So it's definitely good for the algorithm. We don't know exactly why, but I did ask a person from Airbnb at the Short Stay Summit over a year ago, and they said to reply to reviews. So I was just going, I actually missed this one, was in July. She stayed at our property. It was the first time in London, so we went the extra mile to send her details about London, and because the property is in near the airport, but so it's a little bit of a distance to central London. So we just gave her some tips on transport. And you can see she really enjoyed it. Absolutely amazing stay. It's even close to the airport. The planes were absolutely fine. I would definitely stay here again. It has everything you need. And then private feedback, the best communication I've ever received. Thank you for a wonderful stay. So I'm just going to reply, thanks much for the amazing multitasking here, amazing feedback. Post you. Amazing stay and this and I'm just going to just add a little, because once you do the reply, you can't change it, and you only have 30 days to do a public reply. So just keep that in mind for amazing feedback. I'm so glad you had everything you needed for your first day in London. And it's good just to put, like, if they say, oh, it's close, convenient to the airport, to put that maybe in the keywords. It helps with the algorithm. It was wonderful to host you. We are so glad that you had an amazing stay and would love to welcome you back anytime. Best wishes. So just going to click submit. So thanks so much for the amazing feedback, Kristen. We are so glad you had everything you needed for your first stay in London. It was wonderful to host you. We are so glad that you had an amazing stay and would love to welcome you back anytime. Best wishes. Yeah, so it just helps, and other new guests will see that I've replied to everything. This is actually my own personal stay, so it shows up. And really good little tip there.